Welcome to the e-learning platform by Science Park Savitribai Phule Pune University. This is for standard 6, second part and the last part of motion and types of motion. Today we are going to see types of motion which will be continued. Then additional thing, that is speed, and then you are going to use your brain power like earlier one. Let us see spring action here. See how it is going. तो ये स्प्रिंग की मूवमेंट कैसे थी? इज इट लाइक दिस ब्लॉक, जैसे आगे पीछे हो रहा है? Was it same? Yes. So we say whenever spring is coming closer, meaning two ends coming closer, that is compression. When the spring is going away, or that meaning ends are going away, that is called as rarefaction. Okay? लेकिन ये आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि ये जो है ये ऐसे वाइब्रेशंस की तरह है? यस, दिस इज वाइब्रेटरी मोशन. बट मुझे तो लगता है कि ये ऑसिलेटरी मोशन है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? What is the difference between oscillatory and vibratory motion? You are going to answer me, okay? I'm going to give you hint. Oscillatory motion जो है वो pendulum clock की तरह से है, और vibratory motion है वो गिटार स्ट्रिंग में देखी जाती है. Oh, this is merry-go-round. How it moves? In circular or in circle. So that is circular motion. Fan is another example. Then in day-to-day life, which is another example? Clock or hands of clock, right? That is the most specific answer. Okay? Then ये पहिया, wheel. The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Okay? अब आप लोग एक घर में एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाले हो, ठीक है? जो आपका बॉल है थोड़ा हेवी, जो क्रिकेट का बॉल होगा तो भी चलेगा. जो हेवी बॉल है उसको आपको धागे से बांधना है, ठीक से बांधना है. ओके? और एक हाथ के लंबा इतना ही धागा आपको रखना है, और ये बालकनी में नहीं तो आपके टेरेस पे खेलना है आपको, ठीक है? वो ऐसे ऊपर हाथ करके घुमाना है. तो क्या दिखेगा आपको? आप हमें बोलने वाले हो. अब देखते हैं पीरियोडिक मोशन. चलो पहले का ही एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. वेयर यू हैव टाइड बॉल टू अ स्ट्रिंग एंड यू वेर मूविंग इट in circular motion kind of thing. Okay, so what happens there? Initially it moves down, then it attains some height after some time, and again continues to move in circular motion. सेम जो होता है वो मेरी गो राउंड में होता है, सेम होता है वो क्लॉक में होता है. हैंड्स ऑफ क्लॉक मूव इन सर्कुलर मैनर. ओके, लेकिन अगर हैंड्स ऑफ क्लॉक हम देखें, if you consider minute hand, so minute hand crosses number 2 after certain time. That meaning if we consider or imagine one point on this circle, so in that case it is repeating after some interval of time. That is periodic motion. Okay, the motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after fixed point, that is periodic motion. और एक टाइप ऑफ मोशन देख लेते हैं, that is random motion. Butterfly, no definite direction to its motion. वो कौन सी भी दिशा में जा रहा है, right? Then crawling baby, then any animal which is wandering in the jungle, or yes, bird. So direction and speed change continually in such kind of motion. Now you are going to perform this experiment. The random motion. Okay? I am showing you how to perform.
Ants. Okay.
I kept sugar for quite long time. Then I found these ants. If we consider this ant, first position, second position, then somewhere here third position, then it has gone here. If we try to connect all these circles with directions, so it comes like this. Okay, if you focus on this is first position, next, next, next. So that meaning it was not steady at all, it was completely random. So how was this experiment? Try at home. I will explain you quickly how to perform this experiment. Okay, spread a plain sheet of paper, put few crystals of sugar or jaggery. Then in some time ants may come. Ants may travel the distance in some kind of wavy pattern or random pattern or may go straight. Now let us consider one ant for our experiment. So let us mark the position as with let us say circle. Then it is moving in this direction. Okay, again let us mark, then it is changing its direction, mark again, then go ahead and continue this. Okay, and after some time just remove all the crystals and jaggery from the paper and join all the circles. So you will find that this motion is not having any particular kind of motion which we have studied earlier. Okay, this is not circular, this is not linear, this is not oscillatory, this is not vibratory, nothing. So we call this as random motion. जब भी हम बोल रहे हैं समथिंग इज इन मोशन, इट इज चेंजिंग इट्स डिस्टेंस और in particular direction, we say that is displacement for given time, then we call that as speed. ये आपने देखा है स्पीडोमीटर, कहाँ पे देखा है? व्हीकल में. ओके, then such kind of picture. Okay, all these things are related to speed. So speed is the distance traversed by an object in unit time. Okay, और उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो यूनिट क्या हुआ? डिस्टेंस का यूनिट क्या है? डिस्टेंस इज लेंथ. सो इट इज इन मीटर और सेंटीमीटर, और टाइम क्या है? सेकेंड. सो ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड इज मीटर पर सेकेंड. Here is one activity for you. Okay, let us learn how to calculate speed. Okay, so we have one rope here and let us ask someone from home to walk along the rope. Okay, at the same time you must be having stopwatch in your hand. आपके पास अगर घर में stopwatch नहीं है तो आपको पता है मोबाइल में stopwatch रहता है. सो बड़ों की परमिशन लेके वो स्टॉपवॉच आपको ऑन करना है. सो लेट अस आस्क समवन टू वॉक अलोंग दिस रोप, बट एट द सेम टाइम रिमेंबर you should know the length of the rope. Okay, so let us start stopwatch here, and once the person ends or reaches at the end of the rope, then stop the stopwatch. Note down the time taken. Now let us take someone else help and let us start the stopwatch again in the beginning, and we are going to request this person to run along the same distance. Okay, and we will note down the time for the same and then calculate the speed for both the persons. Till now we have seen so many types of motions. Okay, so in all these things, if we try to look into details, we will understand that any moving object may not have one type of motion. जैसे कि आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो, आप डायरेक्शन चेंज करते हो. अगर आपका हैंडल कंटिन्यूसली चेंज हो रहा है, देन वी मे हैव दैट सर्कुलर मोशन. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, कभी भी एक ही टाइप का मोशन नहीं रहता है. यूज योर ब्रेन पावर. Write which objects undergo combinations of different types of motion. In which musical instruments can you see oscillatory motion? There is one numerical. A bus covers the distance of about 200 kilometers from Mumbai to Pune in 3 hours. What was the speed of the bus? Oh, which types of motions are seen when a girl rides a bicycle?